ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम्। So in last class we are almost done with Rama Shabda. Rama Shabda is almost over. Saptami Bhakti is remaining. Shashti Bhakti Bahuvachan is also remaining, isn't it? Vavasani Sutra was seen in last class. Then this again what Anga Saudnyaka Sutra, that also was seen, and some part again that Tadadi word is kept because when context will come we will understand it little bit more clearly, but the main meaning what we want to say is clear now, I assume. Vavasana is again that which is that which has become just turns into char when there is nothing after. It is at the end of pada and there is nothing after it. It turns into that. So that's what we saw in last class. Then bahuvachane jhalyet, jhali jhaladau supi pare, supi bahuvachane pare. So adantasya angasya ekarah syat. So that's how the akara turns into ekara, and the next sutra of that bahuvachane jhalyet is osicha. Osicha means what? Even when there is os pratyaya is there in front of the adanta anga will turn into ekaranta. So that's what we saw, and then Rama became Rame, and then ayadi adesha sandhi echoyavayavah Ramayoho. The last sakara rutva visarga Ramayoho. That's what we got in osicha. Saptami vibhakti and shashti vibhakti dvivachana same form that we saw. Then Rama Am, this was the situation in front of us. Rama and shashti vibhakti bahuvachana pratyaya Am. Ngas os am pratyay is there in front of it. Now in this situation Hrasvanadhyapo Nut Sutra comes and tells that Hrasvantat Nadyantat Abantacha, word ends with Hrasva Swara, then Nadyanta, that which is named as Nadi, then Abanta, that which is ending with Ap Pratyaya, Parasya Amaha, that which is there, Am which is there after it. To that Am, Nut Agama comes. Nut comes as Agama. So thus Am got Nut Agama, and it will, though it has come to this Am, because it is Agama, either it has to come before Am or after Am. So here it will come before because it is Tit. It is having Ta as It, therefore it is Tit. And Tit comes before and it becomes the initial part of whatever is the Sthani. So Nut became the initial part of Am. Now the general work, whenever the Adesha, Agama comes, the first work what we do, Saudhya, we remove the unnecessary part and then keep just the required part. So Ta disappears, U disappears, Ta disappears, Halantyam, Ukara disappears, Ucharanartham. So only Na remains, Ta gets disappeared, Halantyam, and then Tasya Lopaha, Rama, Na, Am. Now Rama na am, this is the situation. Now next sutra comes. Let's read the next sutra. Nami, 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 Nami. So this is again one more sutra which makes dirgha. Dirghadesha is brought. So how? So अजंतांगस्य दीर्घः स्यात्. अजंतांगस्य दीर्घः स्यात्. कदा? नामी परे सति. Nami is just one pada in this whole sutra. Saptami Bhakti Ekavachanam. And how it is taken? So दीर्घः स्यात्. To whom? To Ajanta Anga, that Anga which ends with Ach, means vowel. So Ajantasya Dirgha Syat. Kada? Nami Pare. Nami Pare Sati. Nami Pare Sati Ajantasya Angasya Dirgha Syat. When there is Nam, this particular group of letters, suppose, understand that. Rama plus na and plus am. When this na and am, nam, is there whole together in front of Ajanta Anga gets dirghadesha. It becomes dirgha. So Rama, there is Ajanta Anga akara plus na. Am is there. Ami pare sati. What happens? Akara turns, it becomes dirgha. Rama a plus nam. Nami, by this Nami Sutra. Ajantangasya dirgha. Rama nam. This is what is there now. Rama and nam. Okay. Here we came. Now one sutra is applied. Now there is one sutra which is applied, which turns that na into na. Sutra is Atkup Vangnum Vyavayepi. The sutra which was used for Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya, ina was there, and to turn that na into na, Atkup Vangnum Vyavayepi, Rashabhyam Nonaha Samanapade. When there is ra and sha in the same pada before na, means na is getting preceded by ra and sha. In the same word, same pada, then na turns into na. This is the rule. Even if in between that ra or sha and na, there is a vyavadhana of at pratyahara letters, ka varga letters, pa varga letters, or an or num, means anuswara. Even if these letters are there in between, yet that na will turn into na. So Rama, there is ra here. Ra, a, ma, a, and then na. The thing is now this ra is getting preceded by this ra. Na is getting preceded by ra. In between there is a, ma, and again one more a is there. That's fine, because ma comes into pa varga letters. A comes in at pratyahara. By akara, akara is also grihita. So thus ra turns this na into na. Rama nam. Sutra at kup vang num vyavayepi. At kup vang num vyavayepi. Ramana. Now just we have to connect it together. Ramanam. That's it. Ramanam. So Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam Ramanam is Siddha. Sutra Udaharan is clear.
Yes. Yes.
Next one is easiest, nothing. Now Rama plus Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya E. Okay. Ni Pratyaya was there. Ng disappeared. Lashakva tadhite. Only E remained. So let's from the beginning. Rama Ngi. This Ngi came because this प्रत्ययः परश्च स्वौजसमोच्छष्टाभ्यां this ज्ञाप प्रातिपदिकात् स्वौजसमोच्छष्टाभ्यां this. From pratipadika the swajasadi pratyaya will happen. So Ni is swadi pratyaya. It comes pratipadika. Rama is pratipadika. So Rama Ni. This was the situation. As soon as pratyaya comes, what happens? The it saudnyaka, whatever is supposed to get it saudnya, it gets it saudnya. Rama plus this Ngakara gets it saudnya, and because it is named as it disappears. Only Ikara remains. So here Lashakva tadhite. What does this sutra say? That la, that sha, or that ka varga letter which is there at the beginning of pratyaya, that will be named as it, and it will disappear by tasya lopaha. Just we have to remember that pratyaya is not tadhita pratyaya. So Ni pratyaya is not tadhita pratyaya. It is swadi pratyaya. So Rama, now Akara is there and Ikara is there. Gunasandhi takes place. Then Rama 0 plus 0. Then Rama A. Why? Example is ready. Rame. Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachan. Form is clear?
Yes.
Os pratyaya again. Rama plus Os. Nya pratipadikat. Swaujasamotchastabhyam bis. Two sutras. So Rama got pratipadik saudnya, pratipadikatvat swadi pratyaya again. Rama, two Ramas are there, only one Rama remains because this Sarupana ek sheshta ek vibhaktau. So eka only avashishyate. So Rama, only one Rama remains. Other Ramas they disappear. So Rama plus Os in this situation. Osicha sutra comes. Osicha sutra says that Ajantangasya, Adantangasya Ekaradesha syat. So Akara which is there inside this Makara gets replaced by Ekara. So Rama Ekara got Akara. There is Akara. Os. That Akara is replaced. Rama A plus Os. Then Ayadi Adesha comes by Osicha. A becomes I. So Yavayavaha. Then Ramayos. Then Ramayoru. Sajuho Ruhu. Then Ukara disappears. Upadeshe Janunasika. Yor. Upadeshe Janunasika. I am doing this prakriya, but you are with me, na? Yes.
Yes, ji.
Ha. Rama. Yo. Now this refa turns into visarga because karavasanayor visarjaniyaha. Ramayoho karavasanayor visarjaniyaha. Khari avasane cha parirefasya visarjaniyah syat. There should be khar after ref or there should be avasana. then refa turns into visarga. Here there is nothing after refa, that's why that refa turns into visarga. Ramayoho saptami dvivachana form is prapta now. Ramayoho. So here the second example, which is Ramayoho here, third actually. Ramanam is over, Rame is over, Ramayoho is this. Saptami Bhakti Dvivachana is over. Now, Supi Etve Krute. Supi Etve Krute, this line is there. Now let's understand what is that line. Now, Saptami Dvivachana is over, Rama. Let's prepare for next Pratyaya. Next Pratyaya is Sup. Bahuvachana Pratyaya of Saptami. So, Rama Sup Ityavasthayam. Pakarasya संज्ञा राम आदव उपदेशे हलय अंत्यम हलंत्यम. So only su एव अवशिष्यते. पकारस्य संज्ञा हलंत्यम. राम धन सु इति अवस्थायां पुनः सुपिच, this one sutra we had seen, supicha, which was there right before this ओसिच. बहुवचने झल्येत, sorry, not सुपिचा, क्षम्यतां, बहुवचने झल्येत by this sutra. झलादौ बहुवचने सुपि परे अकारान्तस्य एकारः स्यात्. So this akar, because su is jhal, jhaladi supi, that's why this akara turns into ekara. Bahuvachane jhalyat by this sutra. Okay. That Rama e su by which sutra? Bahuvachane jhalyat. Bahuvachane jhalyat, ekara has happened. Now come to the statement. Line is सुपी 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 इति सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनम. सुप सुप इति शब्दस्य सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचने सुपी इति रूपम. सुपी परे सति राम इति अंगात् सुपी प्रत्यये परे सति एत्वे कृते, एत्वं केन कृतं बहुवचने झल्येत इति एतेन एत्वे कृते सति. When there is sup pratyaya in front of anga and we have turned that akara of adanta anga into ekara, in that situation, in this situation, supi pratyaya is there, supi is there, supi pare sati, it is para, etve krute akarasya etve krute rama esu iti avasthayam etve krute kim. Next sutra is needed. So let's read the next sutra. आदेश प्रत्ययोः आदेश प्रत्ययोः आदेश प्रत्ययोः आदेश प्रत्ययोः is the sutra. Just the one word is there in this sutra, आदेश प्रत्ययोः. Okay, षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन द्विवचन, षष्ठी विभक्ति द्विवचन. So just let's have this Rama, A and Su. This is the situation. This is where we are working, and in this situation only we need this sutra. Okay, only in the sense. In this situation we need this sutra. Okay. What happens? Work of this sutra is what? Murdhanyadeshah. Murdhanyadeshah sya is the main word. What? Murdhanyadesha. Whatever is there, it will be replaced by Murdhanya. Murdhanyas are, what are the Murdhanyas? So, Murdhanya. Murdhanyas are Ta, Dha, Da, Dha, Na. Correct? And these are Murdhanya letters. Again, R, R, then R. These many letters are named as Murdhanya. Why? Because their place of articulation is Murdha. Okay, Tatra Bhava. They are born there, where in the Murdha. That's why they are called Murdhanya. So, what is it said? May Murdhanya Adesha happen. May that letter get replaced by Murdhanya. Here there are these many letters which are named as Murdhanya. Now any one of them is going to come here. Okay, on the place of something. So let's find out what is that. Murdhanya Adesha syat. Sastasya, is it written na? Just take it. Sasya, sasya. Of that sa. On the place of that sa. What will come? Murdhanyadeshah syat. On the place of sa, Murdhanyadesha will come. Now, what type of sa, what that sa is getting described. Because main work is this. Yah sah tasya murdhanyadeshah syat. That sa, on the place of that sa, murdhanyadesha will come. Fine. But what type of sah? So that is being explained here. That sa which is pratyaya avayava pratyayavayavasya, of that sa which is there as a part of pratyaya, which is a part anga of pratyaya. That sa will turn into murdhanya. That sa will get murdhanya adesha. For now sa is dantya. Sa is dantya. Dantya. Ta tha da tha na sha ra ru ru are murdhanyas. Whereas sa is dantya. It comes with ta tha da tha na sa la ru. All of these are dantya varna. So sa is dantya varna. On the place of dantya sa, murdhanya varna is going to come. Okay, what type of sa should be? So sa should be a part of pratyaya. That is one condition. Okay. Pratyayavasya sakarah tasya sakarasya sthane murdhanyadeshah syat. यह प्रत्ययावयवः सकारः तस्य सकारस्य स्थाने मूर्धन्यादेशः स्यात्. What else? So आदेशस्य यह सकारः तस्य च आदेशस्य प्रत्ययावयवस्य च यह सह तस्य सस्य स्थाने मूर्धन्यादेशः स्यात्. आदेशस्य यह सकारः प्रत्ययावयवस्य च यह सकारः तस्य सस्य स्थाने मूर्धन्यादेशः स्यात्. Clear? What is there any other condition? The reason is given in and ku bhyam. Also, it should get preceded by in pratyahara letter I U and kubhyam parasya. Ku means kavarga letters. So in is now in is the parena nakara here. I U R A O I au. Ya. This is in. In is this. Who is ga gha nga. So by any chance there is kavarga letter or in pratyahara letter before sakara, that sakara which is a part of adesha, which is part of pratyaya, or which is itself is adesha, then sakara turns into shakara. Just for now you just ignore this adeshasya, we'll see that later. Just now, for now you just understand इनकुभ्याम परस्य सस्य यह प्रत्ययावयव अस्ति तस्य सस्य स्थाने मूर्धन्यादेशः स्यात्. Okay. Now one more condition you must understand. What? Apadantasya, it should not be at the end of pada. It should get preceded by in pratyahara letter or ka varga letter. It should be part of pratyaya. It should not be at the end of pada. These are all conditions given here. Okay. That type of sakara will turn into sakara murdhanya. Okay. Let's see the example. Here there is example. Rama e su. Now su is whole together pratyaya. Earlier it was su. Rama plus su. This was the original condition. Pa disappeared, we understood. Su is there. Now su contains two letters. Rama a plus sa and u. These two letters are there. Correct. Now sa is a part of whole su pratyaya. Correct. Sa is a part of whole su pratyaya. Now this sa of su pratyaya is preceded by a which is in pratyahara letter. Here we find a letter, we do find there is ekara, and due to that ekara what will happen? The su which is a part of pratyaya will turn into murdhanya. It will get murdhanya adesha. Okay, it will get murdhanya adesha. So that sa which is a part of pratyaya getting preceded by either in pratyahara letter or ku varga letter, the ka varga letter, then that sa will turn into murdhanya. This much is the explanation so far. This is clear that who is going to get replaced by what, not by what, who is going to get replaced?
Yes.
Now, so this sa is going to get replaced. We have seen that it is a part of pratyaya. It is getting preceded by in pratyahara letter. Okay. Then next line comes ईषद विवृतस्य सस्य तादृश एव शकारः. All these are the murdhanyas. All of these are murdhanyas. Ta is the ta, tha, da, dha, na, ru, sha, ra, ru, ru. All of these are murdhanyas, but yet the most similar sthanentaratamaa prasange sati sadrishatamah. When there is a time of that replacement, with what will you replace? Find out the most similar, with that you replace, and not with anything. It should be the most similar. So what is the most similar? So conditions, the pratyas are made, the prayatna is mentioned that ईषद विवृतस्य सस्य तादृशः एव शः. Okay. ईषद विवृतस्य, it has the ईषद विवृत प्रयत्न. Sakara is Ishad Vivruta, Shakara is also Ishad Vivruta, so Sakara gets replaced by Shakara. So this Murdhanya is chosen for the replacement of Sakara. So thus here what do we get? Rama a Murdhanya Shakara and U. Okay. ईषद्विवृतस्य सस्य तादृश एव शः, and thus final example is रामेषु, सप्तमी विभक्ति बहुवचन. Last line is एवं कृष्णादयः अपि अदन्ताः. In the same way, all the words like Krishna etc. are declined in the same manner. So Krishnaha, aha, like that will go to all words till Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan Sambodhana including. So Krishna, Krishna, Krishnaha, Anilaha, Anilo, Anilaha, Haraha, Haro, Haraha. So all words will be declined just like Rama. Is the meaning of evam. In the same way, Krishnadayah api, the words like Krishna etc. also adantaha ending with akara tesham rupani api evameva bhavanti bhavishyanti. Okay, that is the meaning. This is clear. Sutra, vritti, example, explanation.
Yes.
We had ignored this, we had kept this adeshasya. Just we saw that in kubhyam parasya apadantasya pratyayavayavasya yah sah tasya murdanyadeshah. Okay, we have not seen this adeshasya. We had kept it separately, though we have mentioned it in vritti, but we have not seen. But before that, this apadantasya, what that apadantasya, let's understand. Apadantasya. So apadantasya is, for example, in previous example we saw, is that Ramayos. If we see Ramayos, okay, I will write here only. Apadantasya. Suppose we will ask this question. So Ramayos. Okay. Now it was Rama plus Os. Correct. This was the original situation where makara, that akara turned into ekara, and then ayadi adesha took place, and we got Ramayos. Now this sakara which is there in this Ramayos is sakara and a part of pratyaya os. Correct. Getting preceded by in varga, in pratyahara letter, that is also getting fulfilled. Okay. If we say in kubhyam parasya pratyayavayavasya yah sah tasya murdhanyadeshah syat, that sakara which is preceded by in pratyahara letter or kavarga letter may get turned into murdhanya. Then this sakara also would have got replaced by shakara murdhanyadesha, but condition is given apadantasya. It should not be at the end of pada. Hold together, it is considered as pada. Ramayos is pada now, and this pratyayavayava sakara in this example is at the end of pada. Therefore this sakara does not turn into shakara, but it turns into ru. Rutva sandhi, rutva visarga only happens here in this condition. So that's why apadantasya is said. Okay. So apadantasya is also clear.
Yes.
So all this in kubhyam parasya apadantasya pratyayavayavasya yah sah tasya sthane murdhanyadeshah syat. This much statement we have seen, and adeshasya we have not seen. Correct. Now, what is this? The meaning of adeshasya is the sa which has come as adesha itself. Okay, let's this line we will understand, then we will align. Remove, ignore this tatascha. Inkavargabhyam parayoho apadantayoho adeshatmaka प्रत्ययावयवात्मकयोः सकारयोः मूर्धन्यः स्यात् इत्यर्थः. That sa which has come as adesha itself, sa is equal to adeshah. So that sa which itself has come as adesha, or sa, again second meaning is pratyaya avayavah, pratyayasya avayavah, avayavah. So two different sakaras are turned into shakara. One is pratyayavayava, a part of pratyaya. Second, the sa which has come as sha, sorry, the sa which has come as adesha. Just like, this sha is coming here as adesha on the place of sa. So somewhere, if sakara is coming as adesha on the place of some other letter, in that situation, that is the meaning. Where the sakara has come as adesha, or where there is sakara is a part of pratyaya, that sakara, if preceded by in kavarga letter, will turn into murdhanya. Just it should not be at the end of pada. So now let's read the line. This in kavargabhyam parayoho, on the place of those which are coming after in pratyara and kavarga letters, pada apadantayoho, those which are not at the end of pada, adeshatmakah sakarah pratyayavayvatmakah aparah sakarah तयोः आदेशात्मक प्रत्ययावयवात्मकयोः सकारयोः द्वयोः सकारयोः स्थाने मूर्धन्यः स्यात् इत्यर्थः. That is the meaning. Ignore the last line also. So this is adeshatmakah pratyayah, adeshatmakah sakarah अयञ्च प्रत्ययावयवात्मकः सकारः तयोः स्थाने षकारः भवति इत्यर्थः. Is this clear now? What is the meaning of adesha?
Yes.
So that when is that adeshatmaka sakara etc. that we will need in tinganta prakriya. There will be dhatus which will be there will be shakara now. Last there is always shakara. There are some dhatus which begin with shakara. That shakara turns into sakara. Dhatvadeshasah is the sutra where the adi shakara turns into sakara. Then later that sakara turns into shakara by this rule. For that we need this adeshatmaka sakara. So anyway, so this is the meaning. Example, the Rama Shabda gets concluded here. Is this clear?
Yes, Ji.
Now here the next topic begins. Sarvadini, Sarvanamani. So it is almost same, just few changes are there between this Shabda and that Shabda. But before we go to the Sarvanama, Sarvadini, Sarvanamani, just quick recap we will do from the beginning what we saw the Rama Shabda, because by the time we came to this last sutra in Kubhyam Parasya, the too many sutras are already over. So just let me share another file. Now I have shared Word document, not Google Doc. Is it seen?
Yeah. Yes.
So this is from the beginning, if you have noted. So first, the pratyayah, parascha, adyudattascha, anudatto supito. Ignore that. Nyap pratipadika. Here there is R sutra. Okay. But we need pratyayah sutra. We need parascha sutra. Okay. Then there is vibhaktischa. So whatever is coming under this adhikara, the third chapter, first pada, first sutra is pratyaya, second is parascha, fourth, the 104th sutra of fourth pada is vibhaktischa. So now this particular group is named as pratyaya as well as it comes after, and it is named as vibhakti. What? Sup and ting, both of them are named as vibhakti. So who are the sup and ting? Suauja, Samaucha, Stabhambis, these 21 pratyayas are named as pratyaya because they come in this adhikara only. They are named as pratyaya. They will come later, the after. They are named as vibhakti. So these things they are carrying. Okay. And where will they come? Nyap pratipadika. They will come after pratipadika. They will come after nyanta shabda. They will come after abanta shabda. Okay. So from pratipadika they will come. There was one more, कृतद्धित समासाश्च, that is प्रातिपदिक संज्ञक. अर्थवत अधातु अप्रत्यय प्रातिपदिकम, that is one sutra, that which is अर्थवत अप्रत्यय प्रातिपदिका, that is pratyant, that is called pratipadika, and that which ends with कृत तद्धित or which is named as samasa, they are named as pratipadika. After that, what comes? So, Swaujasamot, Shashtabhyambis, Gebhyambis, these 21 pratyayas which are named as pratyaya as well as vibhakti. Okay. Again, they are categorized. They are categorized as per the vachana, the first column, second column, third column. They are named as per the lines as well. The Prathama Vibhakti Trikanam. Okay, the first three are named as Prathama, second three are named as Dvitiya, third three are named as Tritiya, and these names are given by Paniniji? No, these names are already were already existing, used by the earlier grammarians, so that those names are already just carried forward by Maharishi Paniniji. So, Swaujasamot Shashtabhyambis pratyayas are there standing, and we arranged them in this manner. Su, aujas, amauchas, tabhyambis, ngebhyambhyas, nesibhyambhyas, asusam. Then the first work what we did is it saudnya. Upadeshe janunasika it, whatever is ach in the upadesha is named as it. Upadeshe antyam hal it, in the upadesha last hal is named as it. Vibhaktau tusmaha na it saudnyakaha. Those pratyayas which are named as vibhakti, in those pratyayas, if there is sa or if there is ma, they will not be named as it. So in these 21 pratyayas, wherever you see ma, 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 sa, sa, sa will not be named as it. Because it is not named as it, it does not disappear as well. Next is shap pratyaya is ignore, we don't so adir nyutudavaha. This also we don't need now because it is regarding dhatu. Shap pratyasya, the pratyasya adi sha, it syat. Again, in our pratyas there is no sh at the beginning, so we don't need. Next one is, but we need the adi shabda from this fourth sutra, that is coming here as well as in chutu. Chutu sutra we need. Pratyayadyav chutu, the cha varga letter and ta varga letter at the beginning of pratyaya gets it saudhnya. So what do we see here? Ta here in ta is ta varga letter gets it saudhnya, disappears. Then lashakva tadhite la shaka, la letter sh and ka varga letters, they get it saudhnya. Whatever is named as it, tasya itah lopa syat, it will disappear. When we make this extra additional, they are called anubandha, disappear. This is how the pratyayas look. Sa au as, abhyam bhis, ebhyam bhyas, asbhyam bhyas, as os am, e os. After applying it saudhnyaka sutras, we get these pratyayas. Okay. Now, based on anga, different types of angas are there. Some angas are akaranta, some angas are ikaranta, ekaranta, so different. Hariom, yes, Swami. Yes, Swami.
Navibhakta tusma. What is tu?
Navibhakta, ta varga letter, Swami.
So that you didn't mention. Okay.
Vibhakti stas ta varga sakara makara.
Makar. Okay.
Sorry, I had not mentioned the. So that ta, sa, and ma will not get its saudhnya. So these, after applying its saudhnya, we find these forms. Okay. Only after applying its saudhnya. Now there are changes which are made based on the anga. What is the anga? Based on that anga, the Vishishta Karya will happen to Pratyaya. Vishishta Karya will happen. So what are all the Vishishta Karyas? Based on anga, we did two Pratyayas. We did many works. So any sutra is, guess is fine. Ta was replaced by ina. Nge was replaced by ya. Ngasi was replaced by at. Ngas was replaced by sya. Then again, this was replaced by ice. This was replaced by ice. I'm out, just I have not given here. So ta was replaced. So this ta was replaced because of adanta anga, akaranta anga. Okay. So two ways we change the appearance of form, pratyaya. One is applying it saudhnyaka sutra. Second is based on the anga, what type of anga it is. Based on that we change. Now whatever changes we made in pratyayas, like this into ina, a into ina, a into ya, us into at, second us into sya. These are all changes because of the akaranta anga. These are the common changes for akaranta anga. What are all changes we made? Sa remained sa. Au remained us. Here remained Au. Us became an. If you remember, it becomes an. The pullinga. This. Tasmat chaso napunsi. This sutra. Because of that purva savarna dirgha, nakara turns, the sakara of shas pratyaya turns into nakara. That was the one additional work. This happens only for pullinga, where the purva savarna dirgha has taken place. We have to remember that. That will not happen in the strilinga pratyayas. When strilinga is getting derived, this will not happen. Then The ta was replaced by ina. Then bhyam was as it is. Bis was replaced by ais. Ato bhisa ais. That which is akaranta anga, akarantat angat bhisa sthane aisya. So bis was replaced by ais. Ngeryah sutra. So nge was replaced by ya. As it is. Yes. Ngasi war ta ngasing asaminatsya. By this one sutra, we had replaced the third vibhakti, tritiya vibhakti, ekvachana pratyaya ta into ina, the ngasi into at, and ngas into sya. So here it comes at, bhyam as it is, bhyas as it is. Next. Ngas was replaced by sya. Os as it is, am as it is, but here nut agama had come. Nut was agama, we have to remember, and it came due to the anga. Okay. Hrasva nadyapo nut. That anga which ends with hrasva swara, that which is named as nadi, and that which ends with ap. From those types of words, if there is am pratyaya, nut agama comes to that am. So this nut was also brought based on anga. Okay, so this change which is appearing here, it is due to anga. Then here ni or sup is as it is. The difference between first pratyayas and second pratyayas is the second column is just after applying it saudnyaka sutras, whereas third column is after applying the anga saudnyaka karyas. So the pratyayas which are there originally present in the sutra are these. First column is that. Second column is after applying it saudnyaka sutra, and third column is after applying the changes which are based on the anga. So these are the final pratyayas which will be used for akaranta anga. Only for akaranta anga, not any other. For that only it is. If it is ikaranta, then ais will not come. The bis only will remain bis only. So ina will come by the way. That's how the we must have that idea in our mind that which change is made with which reason. That reason must be clear in our mind when pratyayas are there. So you can write all these three stages of pratyayas. The first stage, second stage, the third stage. Now third stage pratyayas are the pratyayas which are used. Okay. Now let's move to the next is. This is here. Ekavachanam sambuddhi. We had named the ekavachana pratyaya of prathama as sambuddhi. Okay, and it disappeared. Okay, it disappeared. So we had named that one extra additional name was given. All pratyayas are named as pratyaya. They are also named as vibhakti. They are also named as prathama, dvitiya, tritiya. They are also named as ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. So different names with different criteria are given to all these different types of pratyayas. Among them, when su pratyaya is used, for sambodhana, again su will be there. Au. Yes. So here this su, which will turn into sa, here au, as, here it will disappear. Halyabhyo dirghat sutisya pruktam. No, eng hrasvat sambuddhehe. Eng hrasvat, engantat hrasvantat angat sambuddhehe sakarasya lopah syat. That anga which ends with eng pratyahara letter a o I o, and if there is the su of sambuddhi, that su will disappear. Okay, so here in the sambodhana, Rama akaranta anga, akara is hrasva, hraswantak, sambuddhe sakarasya lopah syat, lopah bhavati, that sir disappears. Dvivachana pratyaya and bahuvachana pratyaya remain. This is sambodhana, by the way. Sambodhana pratyaya. Okay. So shunya is what? Because it was named as sambuddhi, and sambuddhi pratyaya disappears from the hraswanta anga. Ekaranta, okaranta, aikaranta, aukaranta anga. That's why that disappears. So this change is also again made based on the anga. Due to anga visishta, different one specific type of anga makes the disappearance of this su of sambuddhi. Okay. Ekavachanam sambuddhi, that reason we saw. सुपः त्रीणि त्रीणि वचनानि एकशः एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचन संज्ञानि स्युः. एकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचन संज्ञा was given by supah. Then when are we supposed to bring ekavachana, dvivachana and bahuvachana pratyayas? 3 columns are there. So in the vivaksha of dvitva, dvivachana will come, ekatva, ekavachana will come, bahutva, bahuvachana will come. These 2 sutra for that. Next, anga saudhnya. What is anga? Yasmat pratyay vidhis tadadi pratyayangam. From whatever you have brought the as pratyaya, that particular will be considered as anga. Even if there is in between them, including that, the initial part is considered as anga for that particular pratyaya. That is the meaning of yasmat pratyay vidhis tadadi pratyayangam. Now this the paribhasha you ignore. Next is, we also named few pratyayas as sarvanama as per the requirement. So sut pratyahara. See, sudanapumsakasya. This sutra we have already seen. What is called sarvanama sthana pratyaya. If we start counting from here, su, au, just, out, here. This is out pratyaya, which is 5th pratyaya. Ignore this sambodhana pratyaya, okay? Because sambodhana is again prathama only. It is not something different. So these 3 pratyayas and these 2 pratyayas together, they are called sut. Su plus out, sut. The pratyayas, when they are attached to non-napunsakalinga shabda, the first 5 pratyayas are named as sarvanama sthana. Okay, sarvanama sthana. Sudanapunsakasya sarvanama sthana. Then this yachibham, etc. just ignore. Then our work started from here. Sasajushoruhu was the first. Ramas, it became Ramas, became Ramaru, Ramar, Ramaha. Viramo vasanam, avasana was explained, and then Kharavasana or Visarjaniya was applied. Rama, Ramar, to turn that Ramar into Ramaha. Then Dvekayor Dvivachana Ekavachane, Sarupana Mekasheshta Eka Vibhaktau. Sarupana Mekasheshta Eka Vibhaktau, that we saw. Then Vruddhirechi Sutra came, then Prathamayo Purva Savarna was contradicting, then Nadichi Sutra came and it said that no, in this case, Ichipare, na. Vruddhirechi eva bhavishyati, Vruddhirechi only came, then Akasavarne Dirgha came for this Rama, the just. Then Atogune Sutra came and it said, no, it cannot be done. Then again it was said that no, it is not possible. That's how it continues. So further sutras I have not written. But later, whatever the sutras, recent sutras, you can put in the order and then you can do all the work. Rama Shabda will be revised. So then once it is revised, we will enter into Sarvanama Shabda. I think this was not very complete recap, but maybe we will do once. So we will do Shanti Patha. If there is question, we'll see. Otherwise, next Prakarana with next class we will start. Should we do Shanti Patha?
Yes.
ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। हरि ओम।
ओम।
हरि